I keep hearing people say they want to hold off buying a house until the market gets better. And if that's you, I've got 5 things you need to understand today. Now, first of all, for the people that are thinking they want to hold off on buying a house until they're in a better position financially, I totally support that. I don't want you to buy a house when it's not a good time for you with your finances, not in order quite yet. However, for everybody else, if you're waiting to buy a house just because you're hearing about these crazy things happening in the market, multiple offers, that it's really competitive, people going over, I don't want you to make a decision out of fear or misinformation. So here's 5 things you need to consider. Number 1, in a 5-year period of time, there's a massive chance that the home that you buy is actually going to be worth more, not less. And that's true today as well when I'm recording this in mid-2021. So if you're thinking that you're going to be upside down on a home because you overpaid, statistically, that's incredibly unlikely. So you don't want to make a decision just because you're worried about that. Second thing you should consider is, are prices going up or are they going down? If we've got reason to believe that the prices could drop quickly and significantly, or they could start dropping slowly but over a long period of time, that would be a good time to hold off on buying. However, right now, that's not the case with our current market. Number 3 is, none of the major talking heads that I'm hearing from seem to think that prices are going to go down anytime soon. Certainly not significantly. If they're right, that means that there's a very good chance, in fact, that homes are actually going to be more. So holding off could actually cost you more for that same house, even though there's technically less competition. Number 4 that I want you to consider is, don't forget to consider how interest rates are going to affect your monthly payment. Since we're in an insanely low interest rate situation right now, there's really only one direction that rates can go, and that's up. So if rates go up just 1%, that's almost a 30% increase on your interest that you're paying right now. On a $350,000 home, for example, that's going to be almost $200 more per month if you hold off and if rates go up only 1%. Point number 5 that I want you to consider, if you're currently renting, why don't you add up all the payments for that entire year if you should wait for a year? And then let's add up the cost of homeownership as well, between your mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. They're actually going to be a pretty similar number, so it would seem like renting would be about the same situation financially as owning. That's actually completely wrong. In fact, homes increase about 4% per year over the long haul historically. And so on that $350,000 home, if you bought it now, and if it goes up about 4% over that next year, you'd actually increase your net worth by about $14,000 just in that 1 year from buying a home today. And that's a pretty awesome number. So here's the point. I want you to buy when the time is right for you, not because you're afraid of a little competition from the market.